Hi, it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today we are doing another channel shout out to a small channel who is putting in the work, showing up, creating content consistently, and creating a space for us to just go and relax at a friend's house. That is the vibe I get from, guess who it's gonna be? Be a Flamingo. Yes, it is Nicole. Congratulations, Nicole. I love your channel. I've been binge watching it. I have not subscribed. On my YouTube studio page, there's a thing, and if anybody has like the last 3 people that subscribed with like a lot of subscribers, at the bottom of my screen. I don't want to show up there. I want this to be a surprise. Okay. I have seen her name mentioned before, so I was like, I wasn't even gonna check it because I wanted all these videos to be channels I have never heard of. And I did technically read her name. I think it was from that video of like top or videos you should be watching or channels you should be watching from Chic Crochet. I think that's where it was. So when I saw her channel pop up again, I was like, oh, no. You've already seen that one. But I've seen the name. I didn't check the channel. So then I checked the channel. It was so good. It still is so good. So Nicole has this amazing crochet life, this amazing crochet space where she just kind of hangs out with you. She makes dolls. She does the hair. You can sit with her while she does it. Low pressure. It just brought back like fond memories of starting out and creating the same kind of content because like editing is like pain in the butt and all that stuff. So she just doesn't do it. She just hang out with her. I mean, she edits a bit, don't get me wrong, but it's not like this big overwhelming burden that I've put upon myself. Right? Anyway, I love it. It's so great. I love that. It really feels like you're just hanging out. Like if you were at somebody's house, they wouldn't edit to have everything in line, right? You would have to wait for them to go to the kitchen and get something and come back. So I just appreciate that feeling of just like if I have to go to the bathroom, I don't feel like I have to pause her. I can just be like, okay, well, you're doing that. I'm going to go have a quick pee. I'm going to come back and like, we're just hanging out. Do you know what I mean? It's like very comfortable. So I have really been enjoying her channel and all the stuff that she has on there. It's a plethora. So pop on over to her channel. Oh, let me tell you some stats. I did print it out for a reason. She's in the United Kingdom. She has 2,250 subs as of filming this. She has 105 videos and she started September 2014. So I really enjoy her chatty vlogs. Yeah, and then you're not like chatty vlogs, not left behind, not much editing. I love that. I love it. So go over there and tell her we're talking about her. All these videos are surprises. So tell her we're talking about her. Give her a big, well, check out her content. If you enjoy it as much as I do, give a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe, and ask your friends to subscribe. When you are starting a channel or when you have a smaller channel or you just have a channel, there is a lot of, well, you put a lot of pressure on yourself. You put a lot of, well, it depends. Not everybody does. I do. I did. I didn't think anybody really liked my channel until I had 6,000 subscribers. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I've arrived. I have 6,000 subs. And I still have the same feeling. It's like a lot more. The number's gotten bigger, but the feeling has not changed. It's not like I got 100,000. I was like, oh my gosh, I got 100,000. Well, maybe I did because I got the plaque. The plaque was pretty cool. But like 150, 200, 253, no. Like I like the number going up, don't get me wrong. Like I'm like, oh, look, that's a nice number. Like I think 422 is going to be a nice number. I'm not there yet, but I'm like, just because I like the number. It's the same feeling of when I hit 6,000. I was just on top of the moon and I still am. So thank all of you for making that dream I didn't know I had come true. But if we could just go over and show some love to these other channels, especially because I know you're going to enjoy Nicole's channel. She's so chill, so relaxed. And I just want to bring that back to my channel as well, because you can really get in your head of like doing what you're supposed to do. Do you know what I mean? Like you're supposed to do this and your title's supposed to be this and your thumbnails have to be that and your equipment has to be this. Oh, speaking of which, I've noticed everybody has a better microphone than me. So I've bought all the microphones. Don't get me wrong. I've bought every microphone. I just stopped buying equipment about 2 years ago. I think that I bought my camera, was the last big chunk of equipment I purchased because I thought that's what I needed. And I also, like 2 weeks later, my husband bought me a new phone. All I needed was a new phone. So like the big camera, big fancy camera, no, you don't need that. Microphones, what is going on? I bought all of them. They're all equally omnidirectional, horrible microphones. It was like 3 years ago, I think, the last time I bought a microphone, maybe 2 years ago. I just stopped looking. I just gave up. I'm just using my old microphone because I know it works. I know we can kind of fix it in editing so that it's not so tin canny. Like, can you hear the helicopter? Anyway, I just went back to that. Everyone else has these cute little mics, da-da-da. So I asked my guy, I'm like, what? And I'm getting a mic today. I'm super excited. So this might be the last video, if I can figure it out, how to use it, that sounds like this. Anyway, that's what I'm learning. That's what I'm learning from these people who have fabulous channels, putting out great content, and haven't overthunk everything down to making content creation not miserable, but a lot of effort. Like this equipment, that equipment, this equipment. Who was saying it? They wanted to get... Oh, I don't know. Anyway, if you have any questions about equipment not to buy for your channel, ask me. I've bought it all. I have bought it all. Anyway, that's what's up. Back to Nicole. Love you, Nicole. Your channel is great. I want to be you when I grow up, and I hope everybody else pops over, watches your videos, enjoys them as much as I do, and likes, subscribes, and shares with a friend. So that's what's up. Sharing just means you copy a video that you like and like post it on your Facebook, email it to your friends, tell your neighbor about it, put it on Insta, wherever you are. Go ahead and do that. So let me just check what else I need. Oh, so I also tell you what she says in her description. So in her description, she says, inquiries to nikkiglow@gmail.com. That's it. Okay, Nicole, another tip for you. You got to put your keywords in there, like crochet channel, vlog. This crochet channel is all about relaxed crochet vlogging. I like to talk about crochet, blah, 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 whatever you talk about, so that YouTube can help index you to people looking for that stuff. That's as a tip. But I appreciate that you have your email address in there. That's awesome. You can just put that a little lower down. But not that you need advice from me. Don't get me wrong. You're nailing it. I'm going to be you when I grow up. So pop on over to her channel. And if you love it, go ahead and subscribe. And tomorrow, another one. I'm telling you, I'm really having a hard time narrowing it down to 7. Also get a lot of questions. Can I suggest a channel? Like, can you suggest a channel to me? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I pretty much have this series here on lock because there's so many great creators out there. But I am open to having a longer list. So if you have a channel that you follow with low subscribers, high quality content, consistently improving the world with yarny goodness, go ahead and tell us in the comments. I'm making a spreadsheet of all those channels, and then it's waiting for us in the future when I do this again. So have a super great day. Pop over to Be a Flamingo and stay hooked. I think we have everything. Okay. Hold on, I gotta get my notes. Gotta get my notes. Okay, here we go. I'm excited. Okay, this is one. Okay, no, hold on. I gotta do the intro. This is one of my favorite people. Okay, I'm gonna do the video. My blanket is striped. I just got a new blanket because Rico is on my bed and dirty. So I got one to match his coat. I thought it was just like, what do you call it? Folded up when I bought it. But it is actually striped. I don't like it. Hold on. Yeah, look at that. It's striped. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, anyway. That's a bummer. I really liked it until right now. Okay, anyway, we're doing a video. Let's go. Okay. That was great, right? Okay, I'm not even going to give you, you just go. You just go over to her channel. Stay hooked.